So this is the Sawyer Squeeze. Good thing about this is it does up to 100,000 gallons of water. So that means if you drank 4 liters a day, every day, you would have enough. This would be able to handle 68 years. What we have hooked to it is also the carbon filter. So this carbon filter is what it's going to do is it's going to help take the taste and the odor away. That way you're not drinking any funky, stinky water. So the Sawyer, it's also 28 millimeter, which is the same thing as a smart water bottle. That way you'll be able to, the smart water bottle is probably the best canteen you can get as far as weight goes and durability. They're really tough and they're everywhere. You can get them all over the place. The Sawyer only weighs 3 ounces for everyone that wants to count the weight in their pack. Make sure you can have a lightweight setup. Also, it's going to remove 99.9999% of protozoas and bacteria. It'll take away 100% of microplastics. Nobody wants those, and they're in everything these days. The only thing that you really have to watch out for is you can't let it freeze. For anyone that's going to be hiking in cold environments, if it freezes, it's no good. So you want to keep it warm, keep it up against your body, put it in a Ziploc bag, put it in your sleeping bag with you. Just make sure that it's not going to leak all over you and make you cold. So to go ahead and build this, the bag is going to come with a quick disconnect, and it's a WaterDrop gravity bag. It already comes with this. We're going to put these heavy duty hose clamps on here, and these are 3/8 hose clamps. These are valves. Well, they're not valves, they're clamps, and you click it all the way down and it'll cut the water off, and you can do a variable speed with it. So it comes down. We use a couple more hose clamps just to make sure it's not going to go anywhere, and it goes into the entrance of the flow because it's directional. So whenever it comes out, we're going to attach another hose clamp to this adapter. It's going to run down into the carbon filter. It's going to run to another one of these. That way I can click it on both sides and cut it off and contain everything in the middle if I want to. Whenever we get to the bottom, went ahead and put a quick disconnect on here. That way if you don't want to use the bottle adapter, you can just use the end, and you can put it into whatever you want. If you want to fill up your bladder on your pack, you can go ahead and do that. And then whenever you get this, it's going to come with an additional male in. So really you're able to kind of hook this up however you want. You can do multiple adapters, and you can just turn them all into quick disconnects. So we use the Sawyer Squeeze. If y'all use anything different, go ahead and let us know in the comments what y'all use. Let's get a good healthy discussion going on about why you use that filter.
Yeah, we might want to redo that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Why? What happened?
I didn't put that in there.
That's hilarious. So that is dirty water. That's not filtered.
Don't forget to put the actual filter onto your setup, or this may happen to you.
This is the WaterDrop gravity bag quick disconnect end, hooked to a 1/4 inch hose clamp. The blue hose comes with the WaterDrop. It's a 1/2 inch by 3/8. The black piece is a adjustable speed hose clamp. You just press down on it to put pressure, and then you press the end of it and it'll release it. It's going to run to an inline adapter. This is the male in. It's the Sawyer Squeeze. It just screws right in, and it's one-way flow going through the Sawyer Squeeze. This is the other end of the inline adapter. This is the female end, has another hose clamp on it. And it's going to run to a platypus carbon filter. Now it doesn't have clamps on it because it's a much bigger end and they won't fit on there, but it doesn't need them. It's extremely tight. The reason the hoses are different colors is because I had to buy this. Now this is another clamp, adjustable clamp. You're able to lock this down and lock the other end down. If you, just in case you need to throw it in your bag quickly, it doesn't just pour water and soak your entire bag. The hose is 1/4 inch by 3/8. It's going to run to the fast fill quick disconnect adapter. So standing it up, you're able to see this is the fast fill. Once you pull this off, you're still going to be able to use the end of it and fill up any bottle, any bladder you have, whatever you need. It's a small end. It still fits in anything. To give you a quick rundown, it was the Platypus Gravity Works carbon element filter. A 5-piece plastic tubing clamp. It's 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. You have your WaterDrop gravity bag. You're going to need to buy silicone tubing that's 1/4 by 3/8. You have the 3/8 heavy duty hose clamps, and you need to pick up a Sawyer fast fill adapter. You're also going to need a Sawyer inline adapter that'll have the male and female end already on it. I just went ahead and purchased some replacement gaskets as well, just in case. It's always nice to have a backup. But that's everything that it takes to build this. I bought every bit of it off of Amazon.